Mike Owe.
Hey girl, what's up? You know I pulled your bluff, and I had enough of all the fun and games. You got me going insane. Stop trying to mess with my brain. So are you down now? Can I
Makapunta nga si Emmy.
I know you want this too.
Empoy.
So why you frontin' boo? So let's just make this clear. You know you want this here.
She's playing hard to get, like her shit doesn't stay.
Rich!
See, I just wanna talk to you.
Nag-aantay kami may magbibigay ng Queen Emmy eh. Nag-aantay kami may magbibigay ng Queen Emmy. Dito lang kasi visible pagka PK ko yung PH account. Pero baka magkamali kayo ha. Sa Emmy Love nyo idadrop ha. Wag sa Emmy. MC Ben. Hindi pansin yung bago kong account dito. Cesar. OMG, how many Emmys? It's 2 Emmys.
Cause you're one of a kind.
CM.
Oh God, give me a sign. Stop playing hard to get.
Guys, sige na, na-miss ko yung gift ko eh.
Get wet. A day you won't forget. So
Okay lang naman, yun nyo collab eh.
when you can have the best.
Hard to get, like her shit doesn't stay.
What's up?
Okay lang.
You stupid bitch.
Talk to you, girl, I want
Dali.
Hey girl, stop playing. Listen up to what I'm saying.
Hey,
why can't you just love me? I know I'm just your average Joe. Take some time to get to know me.
Ang hyper ko today, guys, sobra. I don't know why. Kasi siguro nakapag-ano ako. Hindi, ano kayo? Like, punta kayo kay Emmy. Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi, punta pala kayo dun sa dito. Punta kayo kay Emmy. Naglag ba ako?
Baby, don't you stop.
Punta kayo kay Emmy. Not kay Emmy Love.
Me kinda shocked.
Ayan, tas dun nyo hanapin yung Queen Emmy. Nasa popular.
I see it in her eyes.
Am I logging?
And now she doesn't hide what she's feeling inside. No reason to
ba ako?
fight it, girl. You know you like it, girl.
And I say, hey, girl, why can't you just love me? I know I'm just your average Joe. But if you take some time to get to know me. So what's your name? Hi, my name is Joe.
Lag si Emmy Love. Baka bawal. Baka nilag nila. Ate Hana! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay lang guys, lag pa din. It's still lagging guys.
Never thought that I'd fall in love, 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 love. But it grew from a simple crush, crush.
Am I still lagging?
Being without you, girl, never so messed up, 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 up. When you walked out, said that you had enough, nothing to fool. Girl, I know this
Can you guys let me know if still lagging?
go. Maybe
Ay, okay na, okay na.
you'll change your mind.
Guys, makikita nyo pala dun sa Emmy na account, okay?
Could be wild.
Yung Queen Emmy. Ano lang, share ko lang, baka gusto nyo lang. Baka paasahin ka ng inaantay mo. Ay, Rich, sanay na akong umasa. Napapagod na nga. Smile! Ah! Sabi lang ah! Oh my God! Kinilig!
And it was all about us, us, us.
Rich, thank you so much!
Nothing to fool. God, I know.
Lo, Ako na ang pinaka-OA.
You change your mind.
Yes, Shane.
Back out.
Because I just missed my gift, guys. My own gift and big. Thank you, Rich! Thank you sa sa pagtupad ng wish ko. Magkano na papapasok pag 10K kaya? Ano yan? Like, 100%. Di namin nakita. Isa pa po. Post nga isa. Minsan lang tong kambal ka. Salamat, Rich. Sige, post.
I just can't go to sleep 'cause it feels like I'm falling for you. It's
Okay na.
way too deep.
Hilig ko mababa na tong ano ko. Ay.
Next to me,
Miguel from Kahamis. Miguel? Oh my gosh, Miguel!
next to me.
Teka nga, i-end ko na tong, mag-e-end na ako sa ano ko guys, na-receive ko na eh. Feels like insomnia. Hello? Uy, nakita nyo ba? Hindi. Hindi nyo nakita, guys? Hindi ba nag-appear sa inyo? Bakit? Wala pala kayo eh. Nasira na ang mata nyo. Pero may nakapag-screen record ba? Kasi kung hindi, kay Rich na ako hingi ng screen record. Nasa kabila kasi kayo. Pumunta lang kayo sa kabila pag magbabagsak kayo. Ayun, meron. Ayan, si Rain. Grabe si Rain. Ready si Rain. Ay, Rain, salamat. Sinabayan mo yung kabaliwan ko. Salamat! Mahirap mag-SR habang mag-rap sa bagay. Rich. Guys, see you again tomorrow. Plastic. Habang buhay tayo magpaplastikan dito. Oy, unexpected man itong mga gift ko. Parang pang 1N na po salary ng 450K ko tapos sa US, tama po. Yeah. Oo, guys. Sa Pinas talagang kailangan kong i-push mag 1M. Halos magkanda, puyat-puyat na. Sobra. Lalo na syempre si Rich kasi supporter ko na din to ever since. Tambay talaga to si Rich, admin ko yan. Tapos pag nagsisend siya sa akin ng adayas, parang hindi worth it. Kasi US siya eh. So hindi worth it yung niya, yung dinrap niya. Dito sobrang worth it. Hi Nelda! Cause do you remember? Alang happy ko today. Salamat talaga, Richard. US pala siya, kaya oo. Kaya guys, tara na mag-US host na kayo. Worth it ka din naman panoorin. Tapos lalong kinanta pa. Don't need us at the numbers. I got my number.
When you and me had just begun, when I was still your number one. Well, it might seem perfect, baby girl, but it can't.
Kinikilig ako sa gift ko pa.
I just like the sun.
Meron pa galing sa PH na 10K magkano lang po. Actually guys, before kasi 20% lang yung overseas pag outside US. 20% lang marireceive. Pero super sakto guys. God is really good. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi nung lumipat na ako dito sa US, yun lang yung time na naging 100% na yung overseas. At ito pa ang pinakamaganda. Kung i-compare mo yung salary chart sa overseas sa Filipino. Oo, sa Philippine chart, mas malaki pa din yung overseas na salary dito. Kaysa sa as in guys. So, super sakto, like, nag-host kasi ako dito April. Tapos biglang doon nila nilabas na okay, 100% na hindi na 20%. Di ba? Eh, syempre yung mga supporter ko, mas more on overseas talaga, di ba? I was using VPN before to be a US host. Ay! Sino to si Colin? Ba't di mo pinagpatuloy? Don't quote me. Sige. Nakadami ka naman. Pero as in, guys, I don't know why. Like, parang, ano siya, parang God's will. Ako, kontento naman ako dun sa Philippine, guys. Siyempre, kumukota tayo sa Pilipinas. Kahit papano naman, di ba kumukota? Pero kung talagang may pangarap ka, like, hindi ka nagsisettle for less. You can earn more naman, di ba? So, I took the risk. Yung 80K sa US, para tiyan ka nakota sa PH. Totoo. As in, Chester. Natching ako. Hi, Chester. What time is it? 11 na pala. Last 11:15. Ay, 11:11 ako mag-i-end para mag-wish tayo. From a girl na hindi nalabas na wala si tita ngayon, OFW na. Sino to si Colin? Alam mo yung buhay ko, ah. Pero totoo, no? Like as in. Lahat ng labas ko sa Pinas talagang kasama si mama. Kasama parents ko. Alam, nakadepend ka sa kanila lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-commute, yung mga ganun. Natatakot ako mag-commute. Kahit events na sa lobby, oo, sobra. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow, ha? Mag-live tayo tomorrow kasi visible yung 30K tomorrow, eh. Glad naka-adjust ka na now. Totoo. Dati mahirap kasi nga, syempre. Hindi nga ako sanay, pero ginaid naman tayo ni Lord. Tsaka yung mga nagiging friends ko dito, yung parang nasa tamang friends ka, parang gano'n. Nasa tamang landas. Pero yeah, for good na, hopefully. Just go, lang ako go with the flow lang kung saan talaga. Pwede naman ako umuwi ng Pinas or dito, ganun. Dati sanay ka na may dumadating na plato na pagkain habang naka-live. Sino ito si Colin? Grabe ka na, Colin, ha? Alam na ni Colin buhay ko. Ako to natin. Thank you, guys. Guys, last 6 minutes po. Mag-i-end na po ako and tomorrow again.
Off with a little previews of the remix. Now I'm not trying to be.
Kamusta ka? Okay lang. I'm sick today, guys, but I feel so blessed.
Reminds me of my life is cool. That's why I'm
Nagpa-vaccine ako kahapon for COVID. Hi, Dad.
coach. The way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that. And let me get that. Running her hands through my fro. Bouncing on 24.
Thank you, Claire.
It's the remix to ignition.
I'm so proud of you. Keep going hanggang madala mo sila tita dyan. Totoo, no?
Got every man in here wishing.
Yun talaga yung goal, eh. Ang hirap lang mag-ipon.
It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun.
Followed you. Thank you, OG.
Bounce, 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 bounce. Come on.
Mag-wish tayo, mag-pray tayo sa 11:11, guys, okay?
Out the clothes.
Hawaii time, in God's perfect timing lang. Totoo, no?
Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. No more hoping and wishing.
Parang hindi ka nagra-rush. Pero alam mo, at the same time, may time talaga na feeling ko, kailangan ko na mag-rush. Dahil nga parang nape-pressure na ako sa age ko. Alam mo talaga, mag-50 na. I mean, alam mo yung may gusto akong maabot before ako mag-30, parang gano'n. Na not just like, andun ka lang, nag-live ka. Pinas ka, nasa bahay ka. Hindi ka man lang marunong magsaing. Kahit magsaing man lang. Kahit galingan mo pa akong galingan kung di pa para sa'yo wala. Totoo. Ay, parang parang dapat kang i-ready ni Lord. Pero totoo yan guys ha. That's just based on my own experience. Para ma-inspire din kayo na, alam mo yun, madami kasi dito sa Bigo na parang magi-give up sila. Love you, Tid. Ikaw ba yan? I mean, alam mo yun, yung parang gusto na mag-give up kasi nahihirapan na. Poison! Mahirap, actually mahirap talaga mag-live, no? Mahirap mag-entertain. Pero dapat lang talaga guys, kailangan nyo, kung nahihirapan kayo, wag nyong iisipin yung quota or beans. Entertain lang kayo guys sa mga viewers nyo, promise. Miss Dacho, yeah. Entertain niya lang, I swear guys. Alam ko iba dito na-burn out. Kasi nahihirapan magpakota. Tsaka ako naman, hindi naman ako like araw-araw Pasko sa live ko, I swear. Sa 8 years ko, hindi araw-araw Pasko. Pero wala lang, pag wala today, edi okay, parang ganun, tomorrow ulit. Alam mo yun, yung parang hindi ka lang mag-give up ba? Kagaya nga, di ba last time, nakailang stars lang tayo, tapos naka-live ka ulit. Unexpected. It's so funny we don't talk anymore. Our one and only human Spotify. I was about to end Poison. I mean, I need to end my life 11:11 Hawaii time. Because we need to wish. Make a wish. Hi, Verho. I miss you too, Poison. You're such a busy person now. DJ, did you just got home from work? Ang ganda ng view ng structure sa bintana mo. Totoo. Like ano siya, city lights. Ang view dito actually, yung Diamond Head. I don't know if you guys know that. Like the famous mountain here. Mountain yun, di ba? In Hawaii. Alright, 8, 9, 10. Last 3 minutes. Hi, Chrissy.
You gon' be my baby.
Hi, Chrissy. Last 3 minutes, guys. I'm so sorry. Need to end my live because it's late already. Di near ka kay Bretman. Oo. Oo, medyo near lang. Parang ilang drive, pero 10 minutes lang. Ay, hindi 10 minutes. 5, 7. Hi, Kitty. Alam mo yung si Bretman yung masarap maging friend, no? Kasi yung positivity niya ba, yung energy niya, no? I love her energy. Yes, her. Ano daw, nagkaro ka na ba dyan? Ano yun? Northstar, good morning! Car nag-purchase na. Car, no? Di ko pa kayo ng car. Madami pa akong binabayarang bill sa Pinas. I hope malaking kita someday, Ate and Bulls. Yeah, sure. Oo nga. Minsan guys, invite nyo ako lalo na pag mga gantong, gantong content na lang. No worries, Emmy. We will see you again. Yeah, tomorrow. We need to flex our 30K by Rich. 30K from Rich. Bachi! My 11/11 wish is for you to have a car. Ah! Grabe naman yan! Pero sana nga, pa rin din ako maghiram-hiram dito. Nakakaya kasi hiram ng hiram. Pero buti na lang talaga marunong ako mag-drive. Huwag lang talaga mahuhuli. Pizza time tomorrow, I know. I'm kinda hungry na right now. 11/11, make a wish. 11/11 in Hawaii. How about in the Philippines, guys?
Hey girl,
Just join me.
you know I pulled your bluff, and I had enough.
Still
All
11/11.
the fun and games, you got me going insane. Stop trying to mess with my brain. So are you down or not?
Thank you, guys. Have a good night, everyone, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
This here.
She's playing hard to get, like her shit doesn't stay.
God bless you all. Salamat. To the low-level, high-level VIPs, admins. God bless you all.
And I say, hey girl, why can't you just love me? I know I'm just your average Joe, but it could take some time to get to know me. So what you
Good night.
name is Joe.
Na, 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 na. Bye-bye. Don't forget to pray before you sleep.
So
Hi,
show
David.
me what you got. Stop wasting
Salamat to all my angels today.
cause you're one of a kind.